Hello students, in today's video we're going to talk about nutrition. As you all know, what is nutrition? Nutrition is the process of intake of nutrients like carbohydrate, fats, protein, minerals, which are very essential for human body. Next, in this video we're going to talk about modes of nutrition. So first mode of nutrition, if we discuss, is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Next comes is heterotropic mode of nutrition. So first let's discuss about autotrophic mode of nutrition. So auto, as the word divides itself, is self, and tropic means food. See, the mode of nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food themselves are known as autotrophs. For example, green plants. Next comes is heterotropic mode of nutrition. In heterotropic mode of nutrition, as the name divides, which are dependent on another autotrophs for their mode of nutrition, for their food. So the mode of nutrition in which organisms derive their food from other animals and plants are known as heterotrophs. Now, if we say that heterotrophs are of many types, so first we discuss the types of heterotroph. First type of heterotroph is herbivorous animals, the animals which only depend on grass, which eat green plants. Next comes is carnivores. The animals which feed on flesh of other animals are known as carnivorous animals. Third comes is omnivorous animals, which feed on both plants as well as on animals. Examples: sparrow, cockroach, rat, humans. They come under omnivorous category. Next comes is, there is an interesting fact, students, that you might not know, that all the herbivorous animals have larger small intestine as compared to the carnivorous animals. Herbivorous animals, why herbivorous animals have larger intestine than carnivorous animals? Because herbivorous animal stores cellulose, they digest cellulose. So to digest cellulose, they require larger small intestine as compared to carnivorous animals, which are flesh eaters. You like this video? Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.